Caesar and Cat, episode 64, A Sinking Boat. The water poured on the boat. It reached to her knees. Prince climbed on the bow. Help! He yelled. Help me. Away his wand flew water. The water flew away to Tom. It flew reached Prince's knees. Oops, said with her. The neck is too heavy, Cat said. We need to let them out. Tom tried to open the net. It has a big knot, Tom said. The boat sinking. Tom waved his wand. Boat, right! The boat right. You saved me, Tom, said the prince. Now I want to go home and do all my lessons. The queen happily. I don't know what you did, said the queen. Thank you. The prince is doing all his lessons. He's working hard, said the king, like me. Tom bowed. Someday he'll be the king.